Hello everyone. Today we will discuss another topic under environmental studies and environmental law. Today we will discuss about sustainable development and the concepts related to it. The list of topics here which are covered: introduction, goals, features, origin, three pillars of sustainable development and need for sustainable development. Sustainable development can be defined as an approach to the economic development of a country without compromising the quality of the environment for future generations. In the name of economic development, the price of environmental damage is paid in the form of land degradation, soil erosion, air and water pollution, and deforestation, etc. This damage may surpass the advantages of having more quality output of the goods and services. In other words, sustainable development is the development that meets the needs of the present without compromising on the ability of the future generations to meet their own needs. Sustainable development considers the impact of environmental changes and tries to minimize the impact. To promote the kind of development that minimizes environmental problems, to meet the needs of the existing generation without compromising the quality of the environment for future generation. These are the following goals of the sustainable development. There are certain features. Sustainable development can be achieved if we follow the following points. Restricting human beings. Technological development should be input effective and not input utilizing. The rate of consumption should not surpass the rate of salvation. For renewable resources, the rate of consumption should not surpass the rate of production of renewable substitutes. All types of pollutions should be minimized. Sensible use of natural resources. In the year 1987, the World Commission on Environment and Development has introduced the term sustainable development in its report Our Common Future, the Wordland Commission. Sustainable development is based on two fundamental concepts. The first concept considers Earth's carrying capacity and stresses on natural resources like forest, soil fertility, healthy wetlands, ozone layers, etc., which provides basic requirements of human beings. Three pillars of sustainable development. There are three pillars of sustainable development which are: first is community development, second is economic development, and third is environmental protection. In community development, which includes water, providing basic needs like water, food, shelter, clothes, health, education, etc. In the second pillar, economic development includes industrialization, creating job opportunity. And in the third pillar, environmental protection includes providing clean air, safe water, and quality environment. Is there any need for the sustainable development? The answer to this question is today the whole world, particularly the developing countries, faces a near crisis situation both economically and environmentally. Policymakers find it difficult to formulate programs that would work under the present situation of escalating population on the one hand and on the other hand diminishing resources. The environmental decadence inevitably weakens economy, which in turn leads to social disintegration. The link between environmental and socio-economic degradation cannot be overlooked. Today, very few have the comprehension and the capability to break this vicious circle successfully. In our own country, in the post independence period, our attitude was dominated by developmental growth, and we did not have a culture of pollution control. So, in order to save our country and the world, in the today's current scenario, we need to adopt the policies of the and the principles of the sustainable development. There are many principles were included in the concept of sustainable development. We can say that sustainable development is our one and only chance to save our future generation and the deterioration of our environment.